Hello, I'm Sally from Natural Spa Supplies. Welcome to my COVID secure workplace. I've been running Natural Spa Supplies for about 15 years now, and about 6 months ago we moved into this beautiful space. As you can see, we've got plenty of room and everything's beautifully laid out. As a core business, we've operated all through the lockdown and we've got lots of products to help you stay safe. We focus on sourcing the unprocessed resources of nature and providing them to you in their pure, unaltered state. Here's our Russell clay, which is a soap and shampoo alternative. This is our alum made by a volcano, and the presence of crystal tips assures us of its purity. And here's our seaweed hair conditioner, all the way from Scotland. Some of our most popular products through the lockdown have been our naturally anti-microbial hemp oil soap, which we manufacture here. Our surrealist design manicure tools have been really popular. These combs, they're our design. And the scrubbies, these biodegradable multi-surface cleaning cloths. There you go, that will get through the postal system all right. Every time we send out our products, we know that we are saving the planet from pollution with plastics and chemicals, and we know that we are helping our customers to build a profound relationship with nature. We are here to help you lead a more planet-friendly life, and we will help you every step of the way. Just find our website, Natural Spa Supplies, go into the shop, find the category, select your products, and we'll take care of the rest.